If elements of your street addresses are in separate columns, you will need to merge them into one column to process the list with Datazapp. For example, you may have the street number, street name, and street type in separate columns. Here is how to merge them together. First, create a new column by right-clicking the column header and clicking Insert. Then give your column some extra space. Give your new column a name, like full address. Begin a formula in the first cell with an equals sign. Then select the first street number cell, followed by an and sign, a double quote sign, a space, another double quote sign, and another and sign. Then select the next value to add, and repeat the process for each address element. You may also have apartment numbers. Add those to the formula as well. Now hit the Enter key and you have successfully merged the first address. Apply this formula to the other rows by clicking the green box in the bottom right corner of the cell and dragging it down. You can also double-click that green box to autofill your list. If you are done editing your list, you can save it now. But if you need to continue editing this data column, keep in mind it is currently a column of formulas. Convert it to text by copying the column and pasting its values back into the same column. You may notice that there are double spaces in some of your new cells. We'll get rid of those by highlighting the column and hitting the Ctrl and H buttons. This will bring up the Find and Replace tool to find double spaces and replace them with just one space. Don't forget to save your list before uploading to Datazapp.